Blueberry muffins.
Today we are making blueberry muffins. Kent wanted some mini muffins, so today we're going to make some mini muffins. And his request was blueberry as well.
Yeah.
And we're out of eggs, so today we're going to do egg-free, gluten-free blueberry muffins. Should we get started? Alright, maybe we'll start by mashing our banana. One banana.
Do you need to pause the banana?
Just the one banana. You want to mash it up?
Make one.
Nice. Powerful. You know what I should do is preheat the oven. Alright, I preheated the oven to 425. Kent's got these bananas all mashed up. And we're also going to do a half cup of butter. It's been sitting up, softening. Try mashing that up. How soft is it? Maybe not quite as soft as we'd hoped. How about I do a couple mashes on it?
I did good with the banana.
You did great with the bananas.
I can smash it.
You can smash it some more? Awesome.
I can smash the well piece.
Alright, keep smashing it. Hold that bowl down so it doesn't get smashed with it. Nice, those are good smashes. Holy smokes. Maybe not too hard, it's a glass bowl, right? We're gonna add our milk as well. It's a half cup of milk you pour in. Good job. I'm just gonna mix that up a bit, mash it. It smells a little weird. Actually, it was kefir milk I was using. That's probably what smells funny to you. You could use kefir milk, buttermilk works as well. Even regular milk would work too. But buttermilk and kefir milk, you will probably get a better rise. That's good.
What's not good?
One of our hairs. We got that out of there.
Whose hair is it?
Not sure. We're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. Do you want to try and do it or do you want me to?
I want to do it.
Alright, you hold that and I'll pour it in there for you and then you dump it in there. Good. Put it in the bowl.
I poured it right there.
Okay.
Good spot, huh?
That was a very good spot. Alright, there's our liquid. Set that aside. And now we got our flours. We're gluten-free, so it's about 2 cups total. I did 3/4 of a cup white rice flour, half a cup of brown rice flour, 1/4 cup of potato starch, 1/4 cup of tapioca starch, and 1/4 cup of sorghum. A lot of different flours to get a good texture. Now we need something that will rise. So we are going to do
Did I put that?
yeah. How much baking powder do we want? We wanted about 2 teaspoons. We'll go with that one. Shake out some vanilla. Scoop in there. Go right up. Yeah. That's good. Drop it in there. One more scoop. Perfect. And then we're going to use some salt. I used unsalted butter. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of salt.
Just one?
Yeah. If you're using salted butter, then I would suggest using less salt. Perfect. And we're also
I scooped it, placed it onto the other side, checked it, had much on that side.
yeah, leveling out. Awesome work. We're also using no eggs, so we will use some psyllium husk. Do about a tablespoon of that.
One?
Yep. perfect.
What? That tastes good?
No, that doesn't taste good. That helps it bind together and not dry out so much. The binder, we're also going to use some guar gum.
Nice.
I'll just do this one just because it's a little tricky.
But, what?
Oh yeah, I'll scoop it out and you dump it in. Teamwork.
It came out.
Yeah, it came out easy, didn't it?
It comes out.
Alright, just mix that gently though, because it's just a small bowl. Yeah, that's good. How about I do some, and then you can spoon it into the other one.
Into this one?
Yeah.
Will we just dump the whole thing?
We don't need to dump it in, you can spoon it in, but just wait. I'm just going to give this a good mix in, because my butter wasn't as soft as I was hoping it would be. So to make up for it, I'm going to have to put a little muscle into it.
Well, have you got some on your own?
I do have some on there. It's okay, we can wipe it off later. You know what we did almost forget, but your favorite part, the sugar. Yeah. I'm going to cream that bunch.
Bad, 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 daddy, bad, bad, bad boy, you're bad boy.
Who are you talking to? Graver?
Yeah,
He's not a bad guy.
yeah, bad.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
He's
Bad.
just fooling around hiding behind the camera.
I don't know what you guys.
Grab that sugar.
Chicken? Let's do the brown chicken. Sugar?
Yeah, we can. We wanted how much sugar? We want a whole cup of sugar. So what do we got here? We got our half cup. So let's do 2 of those into this bowl. We're gonna mix it into our bowl. Good catch. We're gonna level it off. Nice. Drop it in there. 1 and 1 more. That's good. It's got a little less sugar. That's all right. We'll just call them healthier, right? Right. Mix those. It's super full now.
It's fuller than that one.
Yep. Okay, so we got a lot of sugar that mixed.
So, what next?
Now, you can spoon that into there as I mix.
So I'm just gonna dump it.
It'd be easiest if you just use that little scoop there and scoop it in bit by bit.
Just scoop it out and then put it in.
Yeah. Nice. Oops, try and get it in the bowl, right? You see how you missed there? Yeah.
You gotta scrape this side.
Yeah, you could probably just dump the whole bowl in now. That's just how you hold on to it. There you go. Set that aside. Yeah, pretty thick, huh?
That's big. Chuck with a little knife.
Oh, thanks. Just helping you out. I'm gonna sweep some of that in there. Back to mixing.
What's up? One stock boy. One stocky boy.
Yeah, there's Gray over there. Gray, can you get off camera, please?
Okay.
If you're on camera, you gotta put some pants on. There. This one as well.
Whoa, looks so brown.
Just want to make sure it's nice and mixed. Could use a stand mixer for all this.
What's this stand?
That's the one that's over there, the power one.
The one with the big spoon.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you're not too worried about over mixing your gluten-free flours. Alright. Last but not least, I think we're going to add our blueberries. I'm going to dump the blueberries in and I'll continue mixing. I used a heaping cup. That's alright, that's probably my fault because I grabbed it from you. Right in the middle. Because Kent really likes his blueberries. So these are going to be nice and blue and full of berries.
I can't wait until I can eat them.
Yeah. Now we got to fill our muffin tins. And wanted mini muffin tins, and of course, who doesn't like doing more work to make mini muffins? How many mini muffins are you gonna eat for breakfast? 3 each for breakfast? No. Why eat one big muffin when you can have 3 little muffins? Did you want to try and scoop these in there, or should I do all the scooping?
Scoop me.
You're gonna do the scooping? All right, let's get some small spoons. So you're probably gonna need both spoons, like this. Scoop like that, and then push it in there. Boom. Think you're gonna be able to do that? Maybe I should do some scooping at the same time. We don't have a whole lot going on today, but we don't want to take too long, do we?
You do that one, and I do this one.
Yeah.
Look, I do the one with 2 blueberries.
Nice. Lots of blueberries. All right, we got all of our batter in our tins. My helper went to wash his hands, and I don't think he's coming back. That's okay. It's not really much you can do at this point. We're gonna put him in the oven. It's been preheating at 425, but as soon as we put him in there, we're gonna drop it to 375 and bake them for about half an hour, 30 minutes. After that, we'll test them, make sure they're ready, and let them cool, and then we get to eat them. That's about it. Oh, I'll also add that you could sprinkle sugar on top, add more nuts, lots more you can do to them, but they're mostly for my kids, so they don't really need more sugar on top of them, and I don't have any really good nuts for the moment. All right, our muffins are done. We pulled the mini ones out of the oven a few minutes early, just because they're small and they bake fast. We'll let them cool for 6 minutes because the kids couldn't wait for 10. Let's see how they taste.
Awesome good.
Ken says awesome good and Grace says just good. Jacko Wackos. What do you think?
Good, awesome, good.
I think he likes it.
I think so too. He's smiling.
All right, let's see how they turned out. Perfect. Soft, chewy. Taste the blueberry in there. Not too much banana flavor. We were mostly using the banana just because we had no eggs. So. Yeah, the big ones should be good too.
Can I try one?
Sure. Here comes
No.
Mom. She's gonna try one.
Colleen.
Colleen, my wife.
But
She says.
big one.
Try the big one now. Even better than the little ones.
Even better?
In my opinion, I like big muffins. Kent, he likes little muffins.